Are you an IT professional interested in working in the US? Or are you experienced or willing to learn the UI, web, full stack technologies? And if the answer is yes, then we need to connect. Anak Technologies specializes in UI, web, full stack technologies for the past 18 years. Our professionals have provided consulting services to Fortune 50 and 100 companies such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, etc. Since we have specialization in the full stack technologies, we are aware of everything that the clients need and looking for in their consultants. Our extensive experience and market knowledge has provided us with information needed to create our technology learning platform. This platform provides you with courses to learn, upgrade, and prepare for all client needs and challenges. The more you learn and upgrade, the better is your chance to get a perfectly suitable assignment with lucrative packages. Your immigration needs for H1 and green card processing are our top priorities. Without that, it is not possible to take advantage of the vast amount of IT opportunities in the US. Due to our unique position as a technology consulting company, we do not lay off our employees. Hence, your immigration status is not jeopardized. Our organization is deeply committed to the well-being of our employees, and at every level we follow the employee-first philosophy. Our CTO works on an one-on-one basis with every employee to ensure there is support as well as technology upgrades available to every employee as per their needs. We urge you to connect with the Anak Technologies to see how we are able to help you with your career in the US as an H1 visa holder. Let us provide you with the platform to launch your career in the US. We specialize in UI, web, full stack technologies and have invested over 18 years in this domain. We have trained more than 20,000 professionals and also placed over 4,000 professionals in these years. We understand your challenges and want to earn your trust. For immediate consideration, please send your resume to us at immigration@anaktech.com and also visit anaktech.com to find more about our technology membership platform. In conclusion, the H1 visa status has challenges, but with the correct employer, the challenges are easily avoided and overcome. Anak Technologies will be that employer for you. Best wishes.